Okay, well, look at this. It's made out of carbon fiber, I think. It's a Nobex adjustable tri-square. What I like about it is it's got obviously the set 90-degree position, but also 45. But also, because it's so stiff, you can do it to any angle if you're careful. So it avoids the use of a sliding bevel. Okay, so the reason I've shown you this folding tri-square is that I bought it to fit into my folding compact toolbox. Yes, this is a design of mine from back in the early 1990s, and I've made a few variations of it, and you can see that it's both very versatile in terms of what tools you put in it, but it also makes those tools extremely accessible. So if you like the design, you can buy my video integrated ebook that includes step-by-step instructions together with plans for the dimensions, which of course you can deviate from if you want. Yes, it serves me well, and in fact the prototype is here, this slightly smaller one, but still just as useful, and I still use it today. As you can see, it's quite battle worn. Okay, so please visit my website and subscribe and all the usual stuff. Oh yes, and incidentally, I purified my channel. You know, in the early days, YouTube encouraged characters like me to be themselves, and you know, if my interests were woodworking and music and motorbikes, I threw it all into my channel. So you know where to find me. Please come back here, and definitely please support me and subscribe to these two different channels, which will help kickstart them. Thanks for watching.